The program that we have here is the Freshwater, Produce, and Decor. The goal of the program is to have kids graduate from high school and to have those hands-on, authentic learning experiences.
My favorite thing is probably the plants and stuff, and just being able to build a lot with woodworking and the bees, probably.
We applied for a grant and we started out with one hive. We worked with making honey, and then we began to use that honey and put it for sale. We decided that we needed to have some flowers for the bees so that they could have somewhere to pollinate. And we added other parts to the entrepreneur where the kids did things in the wood shop.
We've made birdhouses, American flags this year. We did wood signs for gardens. There's stuff doing in the classroom with laser engravers.
I've learned how to cut wood and how to paint better and to draw better.
The students have learned to be entrepreneurs. They have learned some business ideas.
The kids have built everything, including this area. We have shops outside, we have the greenhouse, we have the fencing. They have leveled all the dirt, they've shoveled the dirt, they've put the fence up. But the kids have learned so much.
I feel like it lets us learn about ourselves more, learn what we like and what we don't like, and to try new things.
The program is so special to me because it adapts to my learning abilities, so I can keep moving forward and learning, and I don't have to be held up like I was at the other school.
I think experiential learning is the best way to learn, to be able to experience all of these standards rather than read about them in a book and write about them.
They have a passion for something, we recognize it, and we run with it. It does motivate to come every day, to do the best that you can, to reap the reward of what you desire.